Yo, welcome back to another one, man. Today, we're taking my uncle's Camero for a drive. Drop top Camero. I drove it a couple times, but I'm gonna take it for a drive today. He's letting me take it for a drive, so let's see what we can do. See how it sounds. See if it's any fast. But yeah, that's the plan for today, so let's get to it. Just taking the cover off now. Nice burgundy. Drop top, like I said. It got something crazy though. You guys don't know. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. Got the sauce tip and shit. Let me move all this shit and I'll get right back to it. Now this is the thing that I was talking about. This is the thing I want to show you guys. Look at this shit. I think this is so cool. Never expect this. So look, open up the door or whatever. Boom. Got it from the latch. Boom. Now, I don't know, but especially not around my area. Never seen no Camaro like that. Dope little feature he added. I mean, personally, I wouldn't add it myself. I'd rather get a performance part or something, but that's what he likes. That's what he likes, man. Nothing I can do about it. But let's hear this shit real quick. Get in. And like I said, I only drove this car, I think, once or twice. Got the ambient lighting and shit. Got a good little sound to it. Alright, well, I'll see you guys when I pull it out and take it for a drive. Drop the top. Look at that. I love this car so much. Pull that car. Top's gone. Let's go. Fuck, I left the door open. Well, we only come right back, eh? They're gonna call me back, man.
They are.
Let's see.
Oh, they're looking out the window now.
Their mom taking the video, man.
It's a good thing I didn't speak yet then.
It's alright, man. I mean, I want something faster, for sure. I need to fix this seat. Alright, chuck that shit and slap. Let's see what we can do. That's actually tough.
Wow, I don't even have a glasses.
Did? Yeah, let's launch this real quick. I never launched a Camaro before. It's gonna be bad. Let's see how this goes. Got a little something to it, but not much. I'll definitely smoke this. Girl, now.
Oh, my hair was
Oh my god! That's tough! Oh my fuck. Let's do that again. I had to put this top up. took my head off.
Yeah.
It is tough though, I ain't gonna lie.
I love it.
But I wish it was the SS. Need a straight pipe too. Fully. Go on Humber hard. Check. Ready for this spool? Hey, I ain't lying. This car is actually tough.
I know.
I fuck with it.
I like it.
Too bad I didn't have a fuck. You don't have to hold it there the whole time, you know. But you can like look around and shit.
I don't know where to hold it.
Is
Like, go get Devin and drop me off.
Come on!
Oh my god.
Oh fuck! Oh, you gotta keep that in the video. Oh my god! What the fuck?
Okay, that's comical.
I feel like the man driving this right now.
Yeah, maybe I don't know how to film for you.
That shit's clean. You gotta paint that red though or something, burgundy, whatever the car color is. Looking clean though, I ain't gonna lie. He never got this dirty either. Like my car, yeah, it's dirty and shit. But like, I never seen that dirty. He had that for like 3 years. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Wasn't a long video, but I mean, I don't get this opportunity every day, you know what I mean, to drive this man's car, so he gave me the opportunity. I had to take that shit for sure. But yeah, more crazy videos coming. I'm gonna get a video of my mom's Beamer. I might do a little something to that, but not, you know, not tell her, but I don't know, man. I don't know. But I was telling my uncle, like, he might as well just start doing stuff to the Camaro. Like, yeah, it's not the top model one, but I mean, it is what it is. Still a nice car. Gotta appreciate it for what it is, really. I mean, you could obviously still do stuff like intake. You can probably find a little tune for it or something. He already got the mufflers removed. I think he still has a cat on there though. I'm not sure. But yeah, like just paint the calipers, fucking tint the tail lights, anything, man. Like for sure the calipers, like just to match the car, I would definitely like do that for sure. Maybe a little splitter, I don't know. Definitely tint the tail lights a little bit. Dual exhaust, fuck my charger. Dual exhaust tips. I don't really know what else you could do to the V6 version, but shit looking mean though. Put a lip, oh yeah, front lip on it. Already got the LEDs. Yeah, man, that's all I would do to this really. I'm not sure what else you could do, but if I had the supercharger one, oh yeah, I'm going crazy with that for sure. But yeah, all in all though, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, fucking just do all that shit, man. We got more bangers coming. This shit is no joke. Trust me, we got more bangers coming. More shit to the Genesis coming. Stay tuned, man. I'm telling you, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one, though.